Hello everyone. Today, I would like to show you one example to use quantum mechanics to achieve something that classical computers is very hard to achieve in practice. And this is a simple example called gambling game, flip a coin. And I hope after seeing this example, it inspires you to develop your first quantum program. All right, how does it work? Suppose you are the player. You call whether it's a heads or tails for a coin, and then I flip the coin. Once the coin stopped and it lands on either heads or tails, there will be two results. If it lands exactly what you call, then you win. Otherwise, you lose. For example, if you call heads and it lands on heads, and then you win. Otherwise, you lose. To demo this one, I prepared a GitHub repository. You can download the source code and simply run Python classicalgame.py, and you will see the results. For the demo purpose, let's see on my computer. As you can see, I already downloaded everything. I just run Python classicalgame.py, and then I can choose 0 for heights or 1 for tails. Here I choose 0 for heights. Oh, the first time computer wins. I try heights again. I win this time. Heights again. I win. Computer wins. Computer wins. Computer wins. I change to tails. Computer wins. Computer wins. I win. I win. And so on and so forth. And you can make a guess. What's the probability that I can win? And what's the probability that a computer can win? It's actually 50 to 50% in the long term. It's very hard to be exactly 50%, but if I simulate for 1,000 times, about 500 times I win, about 500 times the computer wins. What about if we play against a quantum computer? And this is another example. You can try Python quantumgame.py to see by yourself. And here for demo purpose, I can see Python quantum game.py. Now I can choose heights again. Quantum player wins. Heights, quantum wins, quantum wins, quantum wins. I change to 1. Quantum wins, quantum wins, quantum wins. Something is wrong. It seems like quantum computers can win more than classical computers. And if I simulate this one for 1,000 times, you can see from the figure on the left, for 1,000 times, quantum computers always win. And if I run it on a real quantum computer, not simulator as the left one, because it's very expensive, so I only ran it for 10 times. And you can see a quantum computer wins 9 out of 10. It's not 10 because of the noise, but still it has better chance to win against a player. I know you must think about, oh, quantum computer is cheating. Is it? Yes, a quantum computer is cheating. But how do we cheat? Here's the procedure. First, the player calls heads or tails. And then I put this quantum coin into superposition, which means that it can be heads and tails at the same time. And then I control this quantum coin and to make sure that it claps only to the opposite, whatever the player calls. So the horse always wins. And luckily so far, no casino have a physical quantum computer, which is very powerful to achieve this.